My name is Eileen Lindblom. I've been with Flagstar for just about 4 years, and my title is Director of Non-Agency Lending, Senior Vice President. For the last 3 years, I've been heading up the residential mortgage-backed securities space and grew that business from 0 to 13 transactions last year, over 13 billion. Now I'm really focused on driving the strategy for the non-agency, non-QM mortgage lending. This year it's going to be a little bit of a tough market from an interest rate standpoint, from a global economy standpoint, and really needed to find new niches for the company. The company's been really focused on GSE product so far, and non-agency is kind of, just came with it. So now there's a focus along with the non-agency business, with the construction business and the HELOC business, as well as CRA. So now it's a major focus that we have a really huge opportunity to grow. So the non-agency products is really geared toward the jumbo loan amounts or the borrower who doesn't meet the qualifications of a standard Fannie, Freddie, or Ginnie loan. So they might have, it might be a self-employed borrower that provides alternative documentation as opposed to the standard W-2. There might be some creative scenario where the borrower has restricted stock as a major component of their income that we need to work around and figure out the best product for those borrowers. And being able to deliver these non-agency products really helps those borrowers. We also have specialty products for professional loans and for doctors where we're offering higher LTV, really low down payment in order for those borrowers to qualify. Yeah, so RMBS, residential mortgage-backed securities, something I've been involved with virtually my entire career. Something that we grew from, before my starting with Flagstar, started in 2017. Last year was our pillar year. We had the infrastructure in place to be able to really take advantage of the volume in the market and some of the changes from the FHFA. So that is huge. It's set in stone. We were the number 3 issuer behind JP Chase and Goldman Sachs, and that's a pretty huge accomplishment for a Midwestern bank. So a lot of kudos came from that. Flagstar is a family, takes care of its clients, really focuses on getting things done. And then, what I always like to say is getting to yes and figuring out how to make it work for that individual borrower, the individual company that we might be partnered with. That's how Flagstar works. That's what the environment is all about and the culture is about at Flagstar.